Hi everyone, it's Fresh Cooking here again. Just want to share another one of my delicious recipes with you. I hope you've been enjoying the ones that I've posted so far. It's salmon with guacamole and some green vegetables and also plantain. Hope you enjoy it. Let's start cooking. These are the ingredients that we need for our dish today. It's wild caught salmon, Alaskan salmon, some salt, some cumin, some paprika, some chopped garlic, some chopped onions, and some chopped peppers. That's for the fish side of it. Then for our guacamole, we need tomatoes, cilantro, avocado, some lemon juice, salt, and some olive oil. For our plantain, we have a ripe plantain here, which I've already taken off the peel and sliced, ready to go into the oven. And for our greens, we have some baby spinach and baby kale. First, we sprinkle a little salt on our fish. So we turn it over and sprinkle a little bit more on there. And we set the fish aside. I have the oven set up on gas max 400 and I will prepare the dish now to put the plantain in the oven. I spread a little bit of coconut oil in here and I take off the excess with a tissue because this is a baked plantain rather than fried, which is a healthier option. So, and I place the plantain in the tray. And place in the oven on gas max 400, which has been preheated. Then now we will prepare our guacamole, get our guacamole prepared. Then for our guacamole, we'll get our guacamole started. So for our guacamole, we will need our avocado, tomato, cilantro. So we start by cutting our tomatoes in two. So now we place it into the dish. Now we get our avocado ready. We cut it in two. And I cut it again. It makes it a lot easier to take it off the seed. Take the seed off. Then we get ready to chop our avocado really small, into small pieces. Then we place it in the bowl with the tomatoes. Then we get our cilantro ready and chop it very fine as you can. Then we add it to the bowl. Then we add our salt. And olive oil. And here we have some lemon juice, which I've already squeezed, and we add it to our dish. Then we mix it together. This is our guacamole. We set it aside and we get ready to prepare our fish. So we prepare now to cook our salmon. We set our heat on medium and about a tablespoon of avocado oil, but you can use coconut oil or olive oil if you wish. The oil is warm now, so we add our fish to it. Then we sprinkle some paprika on there. Some cumin powder. I love to cook with spices. And I add some garlic, which is good for you, which is a pre-probiotic. I always like to add some garlic and some onions to my cooking. And I cover. In the meantime, we'll check out plantain to see how it's getting on in the oven. It's nice and golden brown. Then we add our peppers. We turn over the fish and add our peppers and cover again. Smells delicious. We're just going to check to make sure, yep, everything is nicely done. Our salmon is now cooked, so we will just set it aside. In the warm oven. And get ready to prepare our steamed salad leaves. Put the pot on a medium heat, add some water, very little water to it. Then I add some garlic, chopped garlic. And then I add my leaves, which I want to steam, which is kale and spinach leaves. Leave it on a low heat and I cover. Check the vegetables just to make sure they're steaming nicely in here. I always like to add garlic to my food because it's a pre-probiotic. And it's also good for you. So. Okay. Now this is ready, so we will just sprinkle a little olive oil on here, or you can use coconut oil if you feel comfortable with coconut oil. So it's ready. This is the final result of our delicious salmon with greens, guacamole, which really goes well with the salmon because of the lemon in there and everything, and our baked plantain instead of fried plantains, which is a healthier option. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my delicious salmon meal. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next video in a few days' time.